Welcome to Easyteam. Today we're thrilled to introduce a game-changing new feature for retail managers, AI scheduling. If you run a physical store, you know that building the weekly schedule is a massive puzzle. Instead of spending hours trying to figure out which staff member fits where without breaking a rule or blowing your budget, the AI scheduler balances your budget, labor hours, and goals in just a single click, instantly turning a blank calendar into a fully optimized schedule you can confidently share with your team. Built exclusively for physical store retail businesses, the engine analyzes thousands of possible shift combinations in seconds to find that perfect fit. Let's dive into how it works. Before running the AI, ensure your foundation is set. You need to have open shifts created for the roles and times you need filled. Also, approve or reject any time off requests so the AI scheduler can take them into account. When you're ready, navigate to your schedule screen. In the top right corner, next to the Publish button, click on AI Scheduler. Now, select the locations you want to schedule. You can run this for a single store or for multiple locations at once, as long as they're in the same jurisdiction. Next, we look at required rules. These are hard constraints the AI will absolutely never break. You can set minimum rest gaps, like requiring 12 hours between shifts, as well as daily and weekly hour caps. If the AI cannot find a legal solution, it will notify you to change your staffing for the week. And now for the magic, optimization presets. Every week is different, so you tell the AI what to prioritize. You can optionally choose up to 3 goals. For example, select fair hour distribution to keep your team happy. If you want to prioritize keeping costs in check, choose minimize overtime. Another useful option is maximize sales. Because Easyteam is deeply integrated with your POS, the AI looks at your historical sales data and order history, including individual team member performance, and automatically places your top staff on the floor during your busiest peak times. Now, if you value some of your optimizations more, you can select several and assign relative importance points to balance your goals all at once. There is a large selection of required rules and optimization goals for you to mix and match to find the best fit for you. Now, click Create Schedule and let the engine run. Depending on the size of your roster, this may take a few minutes. Once finished, the AI presents a draft schedule. These shifts are not yet visible to your team, but you can easily make manual tweaks. If you're not happy, just click Undo or revert to Published. If it looks great, then publish your schedule and notify your team. And you're done. Whether you run a single door or a chain with hundreds of locations, here are a few of the best practices to use. First, lock in your anchors. If you have a specific manager you want to open that Tuesday, assign them manually before running the AI. The system will lock that shift and intelligently build the rest of the week around your manual assignments. Staff availability. Create and publish your open shift ahead of time, so your team can then use the Easyteam mobile app to mark their availability. This way, the AI creates a schedule your team actually wants to work, and this significantly reduces last-minute changes. Consistency across locations. For larger operations, use the required rules as a global compliance guardrails. Set the rules you expect each manager to follow, then confidently delegate their schedule creation. Your managers save hours of work while you rest easy, knowing the system is preventing them from violating labor laws. AI recommendations. If the AI cannot fill a shift, it's usually because your required rules are too strict for your current roster. Instead of leaving you to guess, the system provides a breakdown to help you resolve the conflict. Click Show Recommendations, and Easyteam will provide specific actionable paths forward, such as adjusting a global limit or splitting a shift into 2. The AI Scheduler is here to give you your time back so you can focus on running and growing your business. Try it out on your next weekly schedule. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of your app.